What are some things, like tips, advice, or stuff to avoid doing that you want to say to upcoming and current high school students?
For example, a grade 7 student, I would tell them to not be afraid or not to get intimidated by high school life. Just go out there, have fun. Experiment with yourself. Like a problem with me was that I was too scared to try anything back then, and yeah, kind of costed me.
You might have heard that high school is just a short part of your life. That may be true, but just because it's a short part of your life doesn't mean you should just get through it without caring about it. Like we said last episode, high school is where yourself is formed, such as how you view the world and what you think is right or wrong. Some people say that you wouldn't remember your high school friends after high school. However, high school friends are some of the most enjoyable people to be around as you've been through the same experiences together. For example, even now, I know some upperclassmen that are still in contact with their high school friends.
Kaya, enjoy high school. Maraming problema na parang napakalaki. Pero pagtapos lang ng isang taon, ay pagtatawanan nyo na lang kung gaano kayo nahirapan or gaano nyo siya na-enjoy. For example, nung grade 7 kami, 4 section namin. And pinag-uusapan namin, saan dito ang pinakamakulit? Nag-away pa nga kami dahil section yung sinabi ko. Overall, high school is an important part of your life. The future may worry you, and you may regret the past. But you should always remember that the present is a gift.
I say don't focus too much on grades, but also wag kayong magpabaya. Kasi like, you only live once. Don't waste your youth. Okay, make friends and do what you want.
Ako personally, I live by the quote na live while we're young. Yan. So habang bata pa, yan, gawin mo na yung mga bagay na gusto mo. Pero syempre, do it responsibly.